Hello everyone, this is Shikha, your English teacher. Now we move towards the textual part of our chapter, The Thief's Story of our book, Footprints Without Feet. Question number 1. What are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? What makes him return to Anil? Now here Hari Singh's reaction on the receiving the education means Anil was giving education to Hari Singh. So in this question it is asked what was the reaction from the side of Hari Singh. Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education changed over time. When he started living with Anil, he wanted to be literate so that he could become a more cunning cheat. Later on, there is a change in his heart. He wants to earn respect in life. Probably he is influenced by the calm in Anil's life. Although both of them depend on irregular source of income, but Anil seems to be more satisfied. Hari Singh develops a desire to be a part of the civilized society. So, what was the reaction towards the education that was provided by Anil to Hari Singh? Means in the starting, Hari Singh used to think that after learning how to read, how to write, he can become a good thief. Means he can thief, he can steal the things in a more professional way. But as the time passes, Hari Singh started feeling a type of logical thinking in his mind. His mindset and his heart, the feelings of the hearts for the Anil gradually started changing, and he understood this thing that yes, after getting the education he can become a respectful person in the society, and in the respectable manner he can earn the money, because stealing is a bad habit. So in indirect way this story gives us a moral that if we are taking the education, so besides getting the knowledge of so many things that we are reading, that we are studying about, there is a type of moral things, there is a type of logical and practical things also learned by a heart, means that can make a very good person towards the society, towards a family. And we started realizing our responsibilities ourselves. Okay, so this is the power of the knowledge. You not only you are getting the information of so many things, as well as you are also getting to learn how to stand in the society, what is good things, what is the bad way on which we should not go. So you education also makes you a very good citizen, good person of the society. So just like that, Hari Singh also develops a desire to be a part of civilized society. Question number 2. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Now, question is asking that Anil knows about the stealing nature of Hari Singh, but even that, Anil did not hand over Hari Singh to police. Why? And all the peoples are like Anil Singh or not? Now, answer is the wetness of the notes must have given the idea of Hari Singh's act to Anil, but Anil is pleased with the fact that Hari returned whatever he had stolen. This must have given him a hope for Hari Singh's desire to change. That is why he did not hand over Hari to police. People like Anil are hard to find. Most people would have reacted in a predictable ways by thrashing Hari Singh and calling police. Anil is different because he wants his servant to become literate. He wants his servant to lead a respectable life in future. Now, Anil knows about Hari Singh's act, that he tries to steal the money, but he was happy that Hari Singh himself realized his mistake and returned to home with the money. So, with this act of Hari Singh, Anil thought that Hari Singh himself wants to change and wants to try to wants to lead a respectable life, and Anil should help him. So he continue teaching him how to read, how to write, so that he can also lead a respectable life like others, like Anil in the society. But the people like Anil you can hardly found, because all the peoples, if they know about the stealing nature of anyone, they are just going to do the reaction in a predictable way. Predictable is called very obvious way. Means you can say if somebody is stealing the things from his house, you can just hand over that person to police. And by thrashing, after thrashing is called scolding him. Means the other person used to, they will scold you first and then they will hand over you to police. But Anil did not hand over Hari Singh to police, because he wants to make Hari Singh a respectful person. Question number 3. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life? Now it is asked, you can find these persons in just stories or in real life also. The answer is both. Anil and Hari Singh are rare in society, especially the changed Hari Singh after he decides to go back to Anil is difficult to find. Means the answer is that it is very much difficult to find the person like Anil and Hari Singh. Means whether you can find the person like Anil, but you it's very hard to find out Hari Singh, the person like Hari Singh, that they themselves realize their mistake and came back to the house. Question number 4. Do you think a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Hari Singh's observation about Anil getting irregular income and Anil's statement about his sale of book to a publisher indicates that he is a struggling writer. He lives life according to the flow of money he gets at a given time. When he gets the money, he enjoys eating out with his friend. When he is having less money, then he even doesn't accept paying salary to Hari Singh. Now, what was the exact profession of Anil? That is not clearly mentioned in the story. Okay, so we can just apply a mind like Hari Singh, that he told Hari Singh that I got this amount of money after selling a book. So that's why Hari Singh made his mind that maybe Anil is a writer, and Anil used to write for the newspaper, for the magazine, and like this he used to earn his money. And besides that, this he is going to lend and borrow money also. So there was not a regular income of Anil. He was just earning the money on an irregular basis, and whenever he got the money, whenever he gets the money, he just spend that money on his friend, spending all the money outside on eating and watching movies and in celebrations. And that's why he was not able to give a regular salary to Hari Singh also. Now question number 5. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? I have met several people who help needy people and help them, especially in becoming literate. 15 year is a very dangerous phase of life, as it is teenage. A deep scar on mind or a deep scar of greed can make criminal out of the ordinary boys and girls. There is a chance of Hari Singh getting a sound rebuke from his parents for asking some costly thing, or there is equal chance of Hari Singh spoiling his consumption pattern beyond his means. Now, the language is a little typical of this answer. I'm going to simplify the language of this answer. Basically, in the question, it is asked that can we find the person like Hari Singh in the society, and what was the circumstances that they became thief? So this question is not direct from the text. It is based on your experience. If you have the experience with the boy like Hari Singh, then you can write the answer in your own language. So the answer is saying that there are many peoples like Hari Singh that we can find in the society, as well as like Anil, who are very eager to give education to these illiterate people. But the phase of the life through which Hari Singh was going, means Hari Singh was a teenage, and the time from 13 to 19 comes in teenage, and that is very crucial time of this the life. Means the type of experiences, the type of rebuk is called, is cold, okay, when anybody scold you. So some type of negative experience if you are feeling in this duration in your teenage, that can have very deep effect on your heart and mind. And if you are getting a scold, maybe maybe Hari Singh got a tight scold from his parents, that because of Hari Singh demanded any costly thing and his parents cannot arrange. So his parents scolded him, and this scold impact his mind, impact his heart so deeply that he became a criminal from an ordinary boy. So this time we have to understand the mindset of the teenage boy and girl and accordingly behave towards that way. So that's why Hari Singh turned in a criminal and started stealing the things to just fulfill his own demand, because his parents was not in the condition to fulfill his demand. So this may be the answer. Now came to the last question. Where is the story set? Which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? The answer is the story is set in Uttar Pradesh, somewhere near Lucknow. The town is having an important railway station as the express trains have stoppage over there. The presence of sweet shop indicates towards presence of a decent market. The description of hotels near railway station indicates that it is an important center where people came from far off the places for business related activities. Now again, this question is not direct from the text, it is based on our understanding, because in this question nothing is mentioned, not this, neither the city name nor the profession of the main character. So in the question it is asked, we have to just suppose where the story is set, the place, the language, the profession, everything we have to suppose ourselves. So the answer can be the story may be set in Uttar Pradesh, because Lucknow is nearby. Lucknow is mentioned in there, and Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. So maybe the story is set in at some places of Uttar Pradesh, and as the town is having the important railway station. Why? Because Lucknow Express is a big train, and if the stoppage of that train is there in the railway station, means that city must be big. The presence of the sweet shop indicates, means there is a sweet shop over which Anil is owning his house. So that sweet shop and other supplies, daily supplies things, means that market area was good. So that is a good city, that may be a very good city. And the railway station, the main railway station also indicates that if the big train like Lucknow Express is having the arrival on the platform of that city's railway station, means the most business persons also goes and comes there, because that train goes every day at 10:30 at night. So every day means that so many business class persons who are doing business from one place to another, they are boarding on that train. Okay, so the city was a reputed city. The profession of the Anil was supposed by us that he was maybe writing the article in the newspaper, and we have also guessed the market, the city area according to the market. So here we have completed all the question, all the new words and explanation part of the story. So that's it for now. We'll meet again.